what is the news here? The news is that how to actually remember everything from class 10th. You cannot do it by reading, because first of all, you don't want to do reading at all, because if you can do reading, then there will be no problem for you and you won't be an average student. And if you want to defeat toppers in the examination, then you have to actually absorb the NCERT book just like the sponge. And one thing that you have to do is you have to do it smartly, because like we cannot do it that way. And if you're highlighting the book, that most of the teachers must be suggesting, it is not going to work. Highlight means just illusion of learning for you, okay? And then making notes, okay, making notes, it again, it's like a pain, because you'll be making notes one day but other day you won't be doing it. One thing you're doing constantly is you are on social media. The device is in front of you all the time. Okay, so what if we make that device your best study buddy? I'm also your study buddy, but that study buddy will actually make sure that you learn everything on the go, even if you are sitting in the bathroom, even if you're waiting in the queue, even if you are actually traveling somewhere, going somewhere else, coming from somewhere else. If you have the device with you, then you can actually learn everything. I'll be giving you the demo from the class 10th physics. Ohm's law will be learning 5 things in today's video. So what is the thing that we have to do? I have already been preaching this, and that is active recall, spaced repetition. Spaced repetition is something we are forgetting everything, right? We are forgetting everything, and we need to actually save it to save ourselves, to save our exams. Okay, right? So how we have to actually do it is the spaced repetition. It is going to save you, nothing else. Or else, if you're dependent on the teachers, then when the teacher will teach, then only you will know it, and by the short term memory it is gone, because you're forgetting. So you need a space repetition tool. Trust me on that. Trust me on that, because the West is actually hiding this secret tool from us. They are actually giving us the social media so that हम और बर्बाद हो जाएं. But here I am again begging you, yaar, just start using Anki space repetition. It is the most powerful tool on earth, because it is doing active recall space repetition for us. Let me give you the demo. You will trust me. In the end, when we will learn 5 things with the space repetition, just give me a demo. Okay, yes, I'm giving you the demo right now. I have information from the class 10 physics, and the first one is, what does Ohm's law state? I have no idea. I have never studied that topic. Okay. And I'll just recall. I don't know. So I'll just see the answer so that I can learn it. For a given resistor at a constant temperature, V is directly proportional to I. For a given resistor at a constant temperature, V is directly proportional to I. That is Ohm's law. Okay. I don't know it. I don't know it. So I'll just give it hard, because feedback, actually, your feedback will make the spaced repetition go well. Okay, write Ohm's law formula. Ohm's law formula, V is equal to IR. I remember that. V is equal to IR. So that was good. How do you calculate resistance from V and I? Voltage and current. I don't know. I don't know it. Okay, it is R equal to V upon I. Okay, hard. How do you calculate current using V and R? I is equal to V upon R? I is equal to V upon R. Okay, good. I'm giving, see, when I'm learning, I'm giving the feedback good when I know the answer. When I don't know the answer, I'm giving hard. So this will actually customize the questions to come again as per my learning curve. This is the most powerful thing about this Anki. You can download it from the Play Store. We have 2 crore downloads, and you have to upload the flashcards with the link I'll be giving in the description. Okay. So what is the SI unit of resistance? Ohm. Yeah, good. What does Ohm law state? For a given condition, a given resistance, V is directly proportional to I. Yes, for a given resistors at constant temperature. I just missed that. For a given resistor at constant temperature, V is equal to I. So see, this spaced repetition will make me learn. And every day, every other day, once you learn everything, it will just come less frequently. And when you will not learn, so it will just make you learn. So this is the power of spaced repetition. I know this may sound cliche, but why cliche? Because here in India, why it is not famous, man? Come on. For a given resistor at a constant temperature, V is directly proportional to I. So now, okay, I was able to recall it 80%. How do you calculate resistance from V and I? Resistance R is equal to V upon I. R is equal to V upon I. Okay. How do you calculate current using V and R? Current I is equal to V upon R. Okay, good. Now see here, downside. One day, because since I was able to recall it, so the algorithm is now pushing it after one day, which is actually a good news because I'll be getting rid of this flashcard. Now write Ohm's law formula. Ohm's law formula visible to IR. Yes, after one day I was successfully able to recall it two times. So वो एक दिन बाद आएगा now. How do you calculate resistance from V and I? Resistance R is equal to V upon I. Yes, one day. Then what does Ohm law state? For a given resistance and in constant temperature, V is directly proportional to I. What is the SI unit of resistance? SI unit of resistance, Ohm. And done. We have successfully learned these five information, and people are reviewing thousands of flashcards, those who are preparing for medical examination all around the world. You can, if you don't believe me, search it over YouTube where you're watching the video. You will get the idea. Please explore it. You can yourself make the flashcard, but without spaced repetition, without active recall, you cannot memorize anything in your long-term memory unless you're a genius. So if you're a genius, then you won't be doing this. And if you're a genius, then it's okay. But if you're an average student, there has to be one way, and this is the only way. Because once you know everything, then you will be able to do any competitive, like competency based questions anywhere, anytime, and it will actually going to help you in class 11th, 12th, and your academic rest of the academic career. So I hope you will check out the Anki flashcards and please try it. I've made several videos on it, you can check out on the channel. And thank you very much for watching the video. I'll meet you next time. Till then, keep revising.